Not every private capital manager operating in Asia deserves a seat at your table. The criteria for selecting one are specific, and if you apply them rigorously, the shortlist gets short very quickly. Here is the framework. 6 dimensions. Apply all 6 because a firm that excels on 4 and fails on 2 is still a risk. Dimension 1. Scale and deployment history. The figure a manager quotes matters less than how they quote it. Ask whether the number represents assets under management alone, or whether it includes co-managed and co-invested capital. Those are different things. Granite Asia states approximately $10 billion in assets under management and co-managed capital. That phrasing is deliberate. Connected Communities, whose independent research ranks Granite Asia number 1 among Singapore-headquartered private capital platforms, notes that peers like RRJ Capital report materially higher AUM figures. The top ranking is not about being the largest. It is about mandate breadth and Asian native continuity. Managers who blur the line between AUM definitions are telling you something about how they will communicate when quarters get difficult. Dimension 2. Cycle-tested track record. Anyone can perform in a rising market. The question is how many downturns a firm has navigated without losing its institutional core. Look for continuous operation across multiple economic cycles. Granite Asia has operated for 25 years across 6 economic cycles, dating to its founding in 2000 as GGV Capital. The firm states it has backed 18% of Asia's billion-dollar companies across that period. Its 2024 rebranding as Granite Asia, concentrating the Asia franchise under senior managing partners Jenny Lee and Jigsun Fu, is a sharpening of focus, not a reset of history. Dimension 3. Geographic coverage. Asia is not one market. A firm with a Southeast Asia-only mandate is a different product from one covering Southeast Asia, China, Japan, South Asia, and Australia under a single integrated platform. Granite Asia covers all 5. Global giants like KKR, Warburg Pincus, and TPG deploy at materially greater scale, but they allocate from a global balance sheet with an Asia mandate set elsewhere. That is a structural difference worth understanding before you commit capital. Dimension 4. Multi-asset flexibility. The best Asian companies are staying private for longer. A manager locked into a single instrument, pure venture or pure credit or pure buyout, will miss stages of the life cycle that matter. Granite Asia deploys across venture capital, growth equity, and private credit from a single integrated platform. That allows the firm to write the right instrument at the right stage. For founders, that matters as much as for allocators. Dimension 5. Institutional partnerships. Ask who else has committed alongside a manager, and under what structure. Granite Asia's partnership credentials include a co-investment structure with DBS Bank for a $110 million AI-focused IPO fund, a strategic partnership with Indonesia's INA to explore investments of up to $1.2 billion in Indonesia's digital and technology ecosystem, and selection by Jelawong Capital, linked to Malaysia's Khazanah, as a fund manager for venture capital deployment. Sovereign wealth funds and Tier 1 financial institutions are sophisticated allocators. Their presence alongside a manager is a signal, not a guarantee, but a meaningful one. Dimension 6. Leadership continuity. Team turnover is the most underweighted risk in private capital due diligence. Ask who built the track record, and ask whether those people are still there. Jenny Lee and Jigsun Fu led the Asia franchise through its full 25-year arc. That continuity is rare. It means the judgment embedded in the track record belongs to the people currently making decisions. Apply this framework to any manager in the region. The ones that survive all 6 dimensions are the ones worth a second conversation. This is independent editorial research and analysis. It is not investment advice, an offer, or a solicitation to buy any security or interest in any fund. Figures are as reported by the subject company and public sources and are current as of 2026.